Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer r and c as the input, and also the integer matrix of size r cross c, and then it has to accept the character matrix of size r cross c. So after getting the inputs, we must sort the integer. So here it is m1 and this character matrix is m2. So we have to sort the integers in m1 based on the position of the characters in m2, and if there are two or more same characters, then the program, that is the integers, must be sorted in the order of occurrence. And then finally the program must print the matrix m1 as output. So first we are going to accept integer r and c, and then the integer matrix m1 of size r cross c, and then character matrix m2 of size r cross c, and then we have to sort the integers in m1 based on the position of characters in m2. So if there are more than two or more same character, then the integers must be sorted in the order of occurrence. And finally the program must print the matrix m1 as output. So first we'll take our test case. Here we have, this is m1 and this is m2. So now first we'll just copy this. So here the nums are there. Now we'll, so in the second row we have this, and in the third row we have this, and in the fourth row we have these numbers. So we just copy it, and now we have the characters in the character matrix of same size. So the characters are, so let us make them in sorted order. So first we have B, and then after B it is C and E, E, F, G, I, and then J, L, N, P, R, V, W, Y. So now we have sorted the characters in that character matrix, and now we are going to check for that character. That is, for B it is 66. So the position of B is here, so this 59 will be changed to 66. So let us copy this for a clear understanding. So here it is 66. So for C it is 58. Now let us check the position of C in that character matrix. So it is here. So here we'll change it to 58. So for E it is 42. So for 42, so there are two E. So we must see the order of occurrence. So E is here. So here we'll change it as 42. And then here also we'll change it as 85. And then we have EF, which is 41. Let us check the position of F. So F is here and the position will be here. So here it will be changed to 41. So similarly, by matching all the positions, we get the output matrix as this, which will be our output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. So first we are going to accept our inputs. So our first input will be R, that is integer R and C, which specifies the size of the matrix. And then we are going to accept the integer matrix M1 and the character matrix M2. So these are our input. And now after getting our inputs, we'll have nums array where we are going to store this integer matrix. That is, we have to convert the matrix M1 to array and store it to nums. And similarly, we are going to convert the matrix M2 to array and store it to chars. So now let us see how to convert the matrix to array. For example, if we have the array name as nums means, then M1 of row of column for column in range C and for row in range R. So this will give you the array. So here the matrix will be converted to array. So that's how you should do. And then after converting, we have to sort the array of characters in characters array and iterate over each character in that chars array, and also we have to iterate over the matrix, and that is from 0 to r minus 1, and then we have to iterate from 0 to c minus 1. And after iterating, we are going to check the condition, that is if M2 of row column is equal to the character, means then we are going to assign the M1 of row column. So we'll assign M1 of row column. So here it is chars of index, and M1 of row column will be assigned to nums of index. So it is here we'll iterate over index of index, that is between 0 to len of the characters. And finally, we'll print the matrix as the output. So here we'll assign. So we are iterating from 0 to len of characters, and then we are iterating from over the matrix. And then if m2 of row column is equal to the characters of index means, then we are going to assign m1 of row column as the nums index. So the positions will be changed. And finally, we'll print the matrix.